We just checked in to the Doubletree over by Disney Springs. It's a Doubletree by Hilton, and we really like our room, so I'll go ahead and show y'all what that looks like. So the first thing we said when we checked into our room was, wow, this is big. So you come in and it's got a mini fridge, microwave, and little sink, as well as a coffee maker. And this pulls out into a bed. It's got 2 TVs in it. It's got 2 queen beds. There's the other TV. And then here's the bathroom with what, Mom?
It has a laundry bag. It has all this good stuff.
I was gonna say, it's got all the shampoo and conditioner, and it's all that really good.
Steel.
It smells so good. It's the Evelyn and Crabtree shampoo and conditioner. And this is the bathroom. Looks like it's been renovated.
And look, it's got what she's done with it.
Oh yeah, she's done something kind of fancy with the towels. It's got this little table in here, so you can rest your magic band. And of course, it's a Doubletree. So we got the Doubletree cookies. He asked me how many I wanted. I said 2, please. And they're still warm. And then they also gave us 2 bottles of water. They gave us little alcoholic wipes so we can like wipe down different surfaces. And this room comes with a DVD player because when you stay here you get like free DVD rentals. Well, it's not free. I think it's included in your resort fee. But you can rent as many DVDs as you want. And because it's located in Disney Springs,
There's water in here.
I just put, yeah, those are the waters I put in there. So because you get charged a resort fee, you get the DVD rentals, 2 bottles of water daily, you get coffee in the morning at the cafe, you get shuttles, and you get unlimited Wi-Fi. And then you get a coupon book for Disney Springs. So, like House of Blues. There's normally a Joffrey's gift coupon in here, like 15% off at the Coke store. So that's just a nice little perk when you stay here. And Mom's already broken into the Doubletree cookie. What do you think? Delicious?
It is delicious.
Delicious.
It's still warm.
Yeah, he asked me if I wanted a Doubletree cookie. I said, yes, that's the whole reason I'm staying here, is for this free Doubletree cookie. He told me I could get as many as I wanted every day. And I'll probably take him up on that. We didn't eat enough cookies yesterday at Epcot, you know. We only had like 10. So I need to have another one. I haven't had any cookies. Well, I haven't had a cookie for breakfast. But I haven't had any cookies in the past hour.